the time. Baby, we meant to be.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to tint your lace front wig and make it look, you know, very realistic and suitable for dark skin. The wig that we're using today is from RPG Hair Wigs, and this is the Virgin Brazilian Kinky Curl Glueless Lace Front Wig. All the details and the link to this wig will be down in the description box. This is 14 inches long. The hair density is 130. It has a lot of hair, which I was very pleased with. It's a lot, trust me, it's a lot. It's very kinky, and it's of a medium brown base color, but I felt like I really wanted to go in and make it a little bit darker because if I didn't do this, it would come off a little too ashy for me, and I don't want that. What you're gonna need is like a dish/bowl. I'm also using my basic white, my clear all basic white, and a brush. Now we're going to bleach it. I'm going to bleach the knots first, lightly bleach the knots before I go into tint it and make a pretty thick paste. Now I take my time and use the brush and stir this around. After doing this, I pretty much start to apply it gently to the lace. You do not want to press the product into the lace because you don't want it to protrude onto the other side, leaking down onto the hair, onto the length of the hair, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So you take your time and gently just, you know, pat it on gently, okay? Be very careful, and you just cover the entire area there. So after I'm done with doing this, I pretty much just, you know, cover it with foil paper and leave it to sit for like, you know, 20 minutes because it was 20 volume developer, so it didn't move too fast. So yeah, after I was done with that, I pretty much proceeded to washing out the product, the bleach. And you should be seeing your finger when you put your finger behind the lace. It should look something like this. It should be very easy to see. Now what I did, I warmed some water in this kettle, and I'm taking this bucket don't mind the red stripe and I'm taking a Dorsey and a brown. This is what we're gonna use to tint. I pretty much pour that in, and then I stir it with the same brush. And after doing this, I pretty much just take the wig and I pop it right into the bucket. I make sure everything is inside completely because you do not want some parts to be tinted and some parts not tinted. So you want to ensure that everything is, you know, completely drenched inside of the bucket. Yeah. And when I put this in there, I leave it for like 10 to 20 minutes. You know, I'll go back and check. And yeah, so that's how long I leave it in there for. After I'm done, I pretty much just wash it out. I come back, and this is what I am working with. Trust me, it's a very simple process, very simple, and this is how it's looking. You see, it has that hint of brown on the lace, and it looks way more realistic. As I part it, you see it has that little, you know, that brownish look to it, and that's definitely what I was going for. So now that I'm done with that, I just go ahead and apply the wig to my head, and this is what it's looking like. I feel like this wig would be perfect for you if you're into the very natural look because these curls are very juicy and kinky. And you know, I loved how it looked. I proceeded to even brushing the hair out a bit so that it could be a little bigger. But anyways, I moved on to just kind of playing with the edges. You know, baby hairs are always optional. You don't have to do this. You know, the wig did come pre-plucked, by the way. I forgot to mention that, and I did go in and pluck a little bit more to make it, you know, a little bit more to my liking. If you need one of those tutorials, it will be linked down below. I did like 2 twists on either side, almost like a half up, half down. Very natural looking, right? Basically, with tinting, it was just to help to make sure that the lace blended a little better with the skin, and so that everything looks a little bit more seamless and well melted and not so easy to detect that you're wearing a wig, because look at it, you can't really tell where the lace starts, you know, and that is our aim. So that was definitely what I was going for. As I said before, I was just playing around doing different styles, And yeah, but this is the lace up close, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty pleased with how, you know, it took the products. You know, the hair is popping, the curls look juicy, the hair is very voluminous, it looks so natural. I am extremely pleased, extremely pleased. And I've never had this style wig before. It's very similar to the one that I wear to the gym every day, the Brazilian water wave, but this is definitely way more kinky, and I love it. I really do love it. It looks so natural. It's pretty. Don't forget to go ahead and use my discount codes if you decide to get this or any other wig I've ever worn from RPG here, by the way. Sue 15 and Petite 10, and you can go ahead and shop from my direct page link on RPG here. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Support your girl. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video and how I make my lace front wigs look real, you know. I mean, who doesn't want their lace front to look real, right? So yeah, go ahead and try this out. Let me know how it worked out for you, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until next time, bye.